In previous videos, we looked at Benjamin Moore's Cinnamon Slate and we talked about everything. Its depth, its undertones, what you can expect it to do in different exposures, along with the best white trim colors, like creating a palette with it, so many things. This video is about the best paint colors that go with Cinnamon Slate. So whether you want to use this as an accent wall, or you want to paint an entire room with it, or you want to use it as an accent color, like more in your home decor, I've got everything you need. You might want to take notes because there's some beautiful colors in here. You can always pause the screen too. Benjamin Moore Classic Gray. I have this in my studio here, and I wouldn't hesitate to use Cinnamon Slate as my accent wall. I'm not going to because I like to keep things simple in here because I do change my favorite colors like weekly. Cinnamon Slate's definitely my weekly color. Love that. I also like Benjamin Moore Calm. This gives you a little bit of a cleaner, brighter look because Calm has less gray in it if we compare those two. So with this, you might choose to do Cinnamon Slate as your accent wall. You might paint it on the inside of your front door and you'd use Classic Gray or Calm as your remaining walls. That's the idea with these ones. Both are beautiful. Now Portland Gray, it'll be maybe a bit cool. Yeah, it's a bit cool for Cinnamon Slate, but it's my placeholder because I wanted to show you Benjamin Moore Porcelain, which is gorgeous, but I don't have my sampleized peel and stick because I forgot to order it. So check out Porcelain, which is a bit better than this Portland Gray. Portland Gray is not bad, it's just we can do better. October Mist, gorgeous color, whether you use it as an accent in your room with your Cinnamon Slate, or maybe you paint your room October Mist and use Cinnamon Slate as your accent. Maybe you paint like your side tables or something. Oh, Forest Floor. So gorgeous. It's hard to go wrong with the dark greens or like dark teals when it comes to Cinnamon Slate. It's like Forest Floor, Ashwood Moss, Vintage Vogue, all day long, these colors. So maybe you want to paint your dining room Cinnamon Slate and you want to add a little bit of a dynamic but grounded look. Maybe you want to paint your dining room hutch Forest Floor, or you want to add accents on the top of your buffet. Beautiful. Or like in a bedroom, can you imagine if you had Cinnamon Slate as your bedroom color and you painted your side tables Forest Floor, or even better Ashwood Moss, which might be coming up? So good. Benjamin Moore Louisburg Green. I don't think you're supposed to be in here, Louis. No, I don't love that. Carolina Gull. Oh, really pretty. It almost has like a heavy, earthy, beachy, just because it's got a good degree of gray in it. This is more like it's an apples to apples accent color because it carries like a similar feeling to Cinnamon Slate. Like it's not darker like Ashwood Moss or something. Benjamin Moore Asphalt. I don't know. We'll go with Asphalt. Really pretty. So say you love Cinnamon Slate, but that's really as much color as you want. You might use accents. Maybe you want to paint the inside of your front door as asphalt, or your side tables, or just your accent pieces, your home decor, your toss cushions. Good accent color. Oh, there's Vintage Vogue. We talked about Vintage Vogue. I can't even. So good. Benjamin Moore, oh, I see we're going to some light warm ones. I always forget what I put in here. Benjamin Moore Linen White. Now, I put this one in here because it is okay. It's a touch yellow. And sometimes that's why I sample and compare a lot. So when I'm choosing a color, I always do my sampleized peel and stick, and I order 4 to 6 colors of similar so I can compare them, because you might look at that and go, oh yeah, I really like it. But then you look at Dove Wing and go, oh, that's a bit softer, that's a bit prettier, less yellow. And then you compare the two and go, oh, right, yeah, maybe Linen White is a bit too yellow. Or maybe it's the other way around. You love yellow, you go with Linen White. Fill your boots, but comparison is key. Oh, one of my favorites, Benjamin Moore Maritime White. Oh my God, you guys. Like, look at this. Linen White, a little bit more yellowy, creamy. Maritime White has a bit more beige in it. So see, a little bit more of a grounded, organic look. A little bit brighter. This doesn't do it for me personally, but I know some of you like your cream, and I'm down with that. Maritime White. Muslin, you want to dip into a little bit more beige. So pretty. I love that. So again, you know, maybe you want to do Cinnamon Slate as your accent wall and you want muslin or Maritime White or Linen White on your remaining walls. Or you want this as your main color and you just need some neutrals in your fabrics and furniture and decor. Gentle Cream. I put that in there because I find it goes a little bit too far. Like if I'm gonna go cream, well, I'm probably not really gonna go with much cream, to be honest. Linen white, maybe Navajo white. But gentle cream's a bit heavy for me personally, but you do you. Ashwood Moss, he just popped up in there. We talked about him. Seriously, like if I'm choosing from the greens to paint a piece of furniture to go with Cinnamon Slate, it's Ashwood Moss all day long because it winks that green without hitting it too hard. But you can get the effect of green with plants too. Shaker Beige, you want a more dense, thicker beige. Beautiful. Again, main walls, accent wall, furniture fabrics. Caribbean Teal. Are you freaking kidding me? Like, I love this so hard. I have like no words. It is so gorgeous. Your walls, okay, I do have words. I have a lot of words. Cinnamon Slate, this is your walls. You get your Caribbean Teal accents in there, like your home decor. Maybe it's on your bed and you have a throw in that color. I usually tend to do lighter neutral bed linens, but it's the accent pieces on the bed where you jack things up. Aegean Teal. This is 2021's color of the year. Pretty, but I like Caribbean Teal better. Yeah, love it. Dark olive. Yeah, I'm down for that. A little bit more earthy, organic. Oh yeah, so these are good examples. A lot of y'all like navy blue. And Cinnamon Slate can handle navy blue, but I want to show you the difference. Hale Navy, it's like, okay, that's fine. But I find that navy blue is a little bit too saturated, a little bit too intense. Whereas if we had a little bit of gray and I hit deep space, look, this is me like catching my breath because I'm talking so fast, but it's also me appreciating how pretty this is. So again, you know, maybe this is your main walls and you're like, oh, I'm going to paint my buffet. I'm going to paint the inside of my front door, or I just need accent colors. Deep space all day long. Could you do deep space and Ashwood Moss? We'd need to liven that up. Ignore that thought. We've got a few more and then we're done. Amherst Gray, a nice mid-tone gray with a touch of a green undertone. Asphalt, pretty as well. Chelsea Gray. Yeah, actually I kind of like that. Chelsea Gray is a warmer gray, which is surprising. But I kind of like how those play together if you have a sectional or something, gray sectional. October Mist, did we not look at October Mist already? I feel like we did. We did. I had a double. So there you have it. Please check out the other videos. There's so much to learn about this amazing color, and I have a blog post on it as well.